A quiet kitchen, a single button press, and cafe-style coffee arriving in minutes without leaving home. If that idea sounds relevant to your daily routine, stay with me. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we are looking at the Mr. Coffee Programmable Espresso and Cappuccino Machine with automatic milk frother and 19-bar pump. This is designed for anyone who enjoys espresso-based drinks at home, but wants to avoid the complexity and inconsistency of traditional machines. It is especially relevant for working professionals, small households, and coffee lovers who value convenience without compromising on quality. The purchase link is available in the description. This machine combines automated functionality with a structured brewing system, making it easier to consistently prepare espresso, cappuccino, and latte-style drinks. Let's break down what matters in real-world use. Reason 1. Consistent cafe-style extraction. The 19-bar Italian pump is the core of this machine. It delivers stable pressure during extraction, which helps produce a richer crema and more balanced espresso profile. In everyday use, this means fewer weak or under-extracted shots and a more reliable cup each time. Reason 2. One-touch convenience without complexity. The interface is intentionally straightforward. You're not dealing with complicated settings or long learning curves. With one-touch operation, the machine handles espresso brewing and milk frothing in a structured sequence. This makes it suitable even for users new to espresso machines. Reason 3. Automatic milk frothing system. The integrated frother produces a light, creamy texture suitable for cappuccinos and lattes. It removes the guesswork of manual steaming, which is often the most challenging part for home users. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, this feature is frequently highlighted for its convenience and consistency. Reason 4. Stable heating performance for better taste control. The thermocouple heating system ensures even heat distribution, which directly impacts flavor stability. It helps maintain optimal brewing temperature, reducing bitterness caused by overheating and improving overall extraction quality. Reason 5. Practical design for everyday use. The adjustable cup tray allows flexibility for both small espresso cups and taller mugs. Combined with a stainless steel exterior, the machine is built to fit neatly into modern kitchen setups while remaining easy to maintain. In long-term use, the focus here is simplicity and repeatable results rather than customization depth. That is an important distinction. It is not aimed at professional barista-level control, but at users who want dependable cafe-style drinks at home with minimal effort. Final verdict. The Mr. Coffee Espresso and Cappuccino Machine performs best as a convenience-focused home espresso solution. Its limitations are mostly around advanced manual control and customization, which may matter to experienced users. However, for most home coffee drinkers, it strikes a strong balance between automation, taste consistency, and ease of use. If your goal is reliable espresso-based drinks without a steep learning curve, this machine stands out in its category. Take your time before deciding, and consider how much simplicity and automation matter in your daily coffee routine.